Do you want powerful arms in under 10 minutes? Well, watch this video and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Welcome, my name is Willie. Welcome as well to anyone who may be new to my channel. I'm going to be doing 3 exercises today. This is going to work the biceps, the triceps, and the forearms, which are the 3 parts of the arm. And I'm going to be doing it in under 10 minutes. So be aware that this is also only covering one arm. All right, let's get started. I am using 30 pounds for my exercises today, but I encourage you to use whatever weight is appropriate for your level of activity. Starting one arm preacher curls now. I'm doing this for 30 seconds of exercise, and afterwards I'm going to do 30 seconds of rest. And then I'm going to go on and do it 2 more times. Okay, that's 30 seconds. I'm gonna rest for 30 seconds. Seconds again, starting now. This is number 2 for 30 seconds. That's 30 seconds. I'm gonna rest for 30 seconds. And the next 30 seconds. The last second. I'm starting the lying tricep extension now for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 30 seconds. And I'm gonna rest for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, I'm gonna repeat it again. And then I will go to a third set. I'm resting the arm for 30 seconds. And I'll get ready. And I'm going to start doing the exercise again for another 30 seconds. All right, there it is. Starting exercise now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But don't let that weight hit you in the head or in the face. So you must control the weight. And go slow and with control. Go slow. And work that muscle. That's 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds. I feel the muscle in there. But this is the tricep muscle. And let it rest for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to do the exercise again for another 30 seconds. And that'll be 3 sets. Resting now for 30 seconds. All right, rest it. And go and starting now. 1, 2, 3. Control the weight. 4. 'Rest for 30 seconds. Feel the muscle in there. This is the tricep muscle. And let it rest for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to do the exercise again for another 30 seconds. And that'll be 3 sets. Resting now for 30 seconds. All right, rest it. For 30 seconds starting now. And this works your forearm. And you have to try to make your wrist be steady and just bring it up. Don't move any other part of the arm, just the wrist. As many times as you can. But control the movements. Alright, that's 30 seconds. You rest for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds of rest, you're going to redo it and start again for a second set. 30 seconds of exercise, and then rest it for 30 seconds. And then you're going to do a final 30 seconds of exercise and a final 30 seconds of rest. Okay. 30 seconds. Work your forearms. And rest for 30 seconds. You definitely feel it in your forearms. You do it 30 times. And this works the whole arm, the bicep, the tricep, and the forearm. It makes your whole arm strong. This is what you want it to be. And you do this in under 10 minutes. All right, we're ready to do the final third set. All right, final set. That's all 3 exercises. If you like this video, check out my chest video, which I will link to right up here. All right. I have a question of the day for you. Is it worth 10 minutes time out of your day to grow your body into a strong machine? If so, then let me show you how to do it. Watch my videos and I'll show you how. If you like this content, then visit my website and also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. I hope to see you again soon.